Hey biscuits, welcome back to the channel. So what I'm doing is I am updating the Christmas tree from Christmas tree, and I'm trying this because there's a gal who I will tag in the comments that's on Instagram that does this fun transition from Christmas tree to Valentine's Day tree. And I thought this was first year, I'm gonna try it out. I have a fake tree so it can keep staying up. And it's been so dark and dismal that I thought, okay, take off the Christmas decorations, get this on, and kind of see if we like it or not. Let me show you around the tree. So I've gotten some flowers moved around that were on the tree for Christmas, but repositioned. I've gotten most of the Christmas ornaments put away, thank goodness. I still have to put away my penguin, but I'm getting out some of last year's Valentine's Day decorations, and then I got some new ones that I will show you. So I got these 3 flowers at Michael's. I'm gonna cut off the tags. They were 40% off. And I had a couple that were in faux ornaments or faux arrangements around the house that I put in the tree for Christmas time. But this time I wanted to pop out and bring out more of the pink. So I'm just taking off the price tags. Now I haven't cut these down yet because I'm still testing out what length I want, because I just stick them back in there. But I really like these. I think they look pretty. I thought I bought more of these, but Abraham was being absolutely wild at the store and running off and hiding. So I was rather distracted, and I think that I didn't buy. I thought I had bought like 6, but I ended up buying only 3, which confuses me, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna see how it looks. So here is the tree. Ta-da! Oh yeah. And then what I wanna do is I'm kind of making like a cascade of flowers. So I'm gonna look and see where I think these have the most pizzazz. Just walking around the tree. Yeah, man, I'm sad that I didn't get the 6 that I thought. But, you do. Shopping with kids will drive you crazy. I'm getting to the point where, and I always went, oh, why do moms not want to go shopping with their kids? But I gotta say, this whole new 5-year-old thing, it is testing me out, especially because I've been sick for so long. It's making me think, you know what, I understand. It reminds me a lot of when Abraham was much tinier, and I would drop him off at the grocery store. They'll let them play in the little kids zone where somebody watches them, and I'm like, oh my god, 20 minutes a piece. So Abraham picked these out, and I love them. I didn't even notice them at Michael's. They were on sale for just over $1, and I think they are cutie pies. We got 3 of them. I'm also gonna do a dollar store run and get a few more things, because that plaque that says Happy Valentine's Day is from the dollar store. And I thought I'd get a few things from there because I don't want to go totally crazy and spending a ton on doing this, because I've never done it before and I love the idea, but you know, it's easy to go crazy and like spend $100, $200 on decorations that are gonna maybe be up for a month. So I'm trying to be good and not go wild, because you all know that my weakness is home goodies. It's my inner housewife. I just want to be a housewife. That was really my goal growing up. Was, you know, like, oh, what do you want to be when you grow up? Oh, I want to be a housewife, raise kids. So, you know, that's my weak spot, because it's like, oh, my dreams are coming true. I can just decorate and cook and clean. The cleaning is endless, I will say. But I think these are real cutie patooties, and I like them. You want to help me figure out where to put them up on? Ooh, 3 hearts for your love biscuits. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, we got all 3. So where do you think we should put them? but clear. Here, scoodle on biscuits. A couple more pieces they're gonna go here. I think that's looking way better. It's looking cute and sparkly. I totally could have bought a ton more of all of these decorators. I feel like I could have doubled the flowers, which I thought I had, and I could have doubled the little hearts. But I really like it. These little pink fruits that I have on the tree, I've had for years, but I thought that they could transition in, and this heart goes on the Christmas tree. Kind of transition into it, but I think this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be like a pink, jolly little tree, and I've never tried it. I love the idea. I still have to put these away. So I'm still putting all of this stuff away. I've put most of the breakable ornaments in here. This is my tree topper, and it has a little special container it goes into. I love these straw ornaments. I collect them whenever I can find a store that sells them because they're really beautiful. I've been collecting them for a while now, just so that I had enough to cover a whole tree. They're kind of hard to find at a good price. So I'm putting this in here along with our Santa hat that's gotta go. And I think that is about what I'm putting in here. I'm gonna press these down. I know this looks bad, but it's almost all padding and fluff because I put them away differently this year. I'm not quite sure what to do with these. They're too big to fit in any of my boxes, so we'll see. But I hope you know what I need to do. So I'm changing out. Again, this is the first year I've done this, so I'm kind of testing out what I want to do. I am taking away the tree skirt that lives under here, and I'm going to replace it with another thing that I'm going to grab at the dollar store. And this is actually like a plasticky tablecloth from the dollar store that I use every year as my tree skirt because you can get it wet. It's a little waterproof. You can just wipe it off. It works really well, and it was $1. Fold it up. The year it's decided it doesn't want to be folded, so that's okay. And I think that changing out the tree skirt will make a big difference in how Valentine's Eve vibes are. Okay, I'm going to use this to pad more of this stuff. Stuff for Christmassy baubles. I need to vacuum and sweep after this, but I think it looks really cute and fun. I like it. And I'm sure I'll post a completely 100% finished one up on Instagram as well. But I think I kind of like this. I don't want to go totally overboard with this, which would be easy to do. So we'll see how. I kind of think I'm going to leave it mainly like this. It's just kind of a fun little thing. It's still very Christmassy. I feel like it needs more pink ribbon or something, but then I'm going to go overboard and go crazy with it, and I'm not sure that that's my goal. Okay, the next thing that has to go is this guy. I'm really going to miss Mr. Penguin. He's been my little buddy, and I just love him. Unhook. Almost got it. Okay. Got that. Okay, so I unhooked him. Oh, I'm gonna miss him. Okay. And then I'm trying to remember how this all came apart. Yeah. Okay. So this is the base. And then this guy, let me move back a little bit so that you can see. Different sticks come out. And then this one zip ties. Okay, in theory he collapses. Oh, he does. Okay, he does it. He collapses back down. Oh. I enjoyed having my penguin at Christmas. It was really fun. Okay, so I am putting all the pieces back together, but collapsed, so that I'll be able to put him back together this coming Christmas, which, you know what, is gonna be here before I know it. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, I'm looking forward to this year. You know, growing the family and changing stuff up and just kind of refocusing on, I don't know, family time and a little bit of me time this year. I would like to spend a little more time focusing on, you know, relaxation for me and not just making sure other people are happy. So it kind of makes me feel more excited for the year. And I feel like, I know this may sound silly, but I feel like taking down the Christmas decorations is definitely like when full New Year hits for me, because I tend to take them down in January. And I'm thoroughly then ready for like, okay, what's this new year gonna be? So it's making me think of that. Okay, you know what I realized? I was gonna put away the box of decorations, but I'm full of it. Because, look at that, I'm so silly. These are still out. So I will put these away. I like this. This is a little ornamenty thing I had going with this lights up. And then these all light up and it just looks really cheery. And I guess I will leave these for a few more days we're having a siblings fakemas, a belated Christmas, because Abraham and I were super sick at Christmas. Other people were worried about getting sick, and then other siblings and their kids got flus right after Christmas. And then I was recuperating down with family in California. So finally, end of January, we were doing a Christmassy thing. And I thought about leaving the decorations up, but I thought, you know, I'll get the decorations down, we'll still have the tree up, and I'm still leaving the stockings out for the little kids so that they can get a second stocking go, because I know how beloved stockings are for little toddlers and kids. So I'll leave those other decorations out, and I'm still gonna leave up my Santa Claus that's up there in the corner. But it kind of gets me able to put away most of the big boxes, and I'll leave one box out, that little tiny one, just to put the decorative orbs in that go in the glass container. I think that'll be fun, but I'll just leave that for now. Yeah, woohoo! We are mostly de-Christmased. I know, I didn't overly Christmas the rest of the house this year, or last year, I guess. This coming Christmas, I probably will do a lot more, but I was just too sick. And I had that horrible flu right at Christmas again while being sick. So I thought, you know what, we're just doing in here. And it kind of left it and made it a little bit easier for tidy up, which I appreciate. But I feel like there's some garlands calling for next Christmas. Oh yeah. What do you think? Would you do a Valentine's Day tree? Or is it too weird? What do you think? I have to admit, I'm really liking it. I think it's cheery. I didn't go too wild. I'm leaving the bottom of the tree empty because my nephew is a little tiny toddler and he might try to chew things on there. So I thought this year, you know, I've just kind of let that be, because we have little monkeys in the family that will try to grab stuff, and next year we will too. So as everybody ages up, eventually all the kids in the family will be old enough that I don't have to be so worried about that. But I really like it, and I love, high tip, I really like the flowers because it's a fun thing. It's subtly Valentine's Day, but not over your top, like just candy all over. I cannot put candy in the tree because, as I found out at Christmas, Abraham will eat all of the candy. We were at the house when my friend and his kids were decorating the Christmas tree, and Abraham stole all of the candy canes off of their tree. And yes, oh my God, that was not a popular decision because the other kids busted him, and they're like siblings at this point, you know, and did not appreciate that their little monkey of a naughty boy had stolen and eaten the candy canes on the rug behind their dad's chair. It wasn't a proud moment of parenting because I didn't realize it was going on, but I went, oh, there you go. So no candy, but I love the flowers. I like the little bits of hearts. I feel like you could go full headband style wild with this, and that would be equally fun. Since this is the first year I'm doing it, I'm gonna keep it pretty mellow, pretty simple, but I like it. This actually I bought as a backdrop-y thing for the holidays in the fall, and love it so much that it just lives in my living room because it's hygge, it's warm and cozy in the winter when it is dark. This is, by the way, full noontime daylight, and I know the windows look bright. Oh no, it is dark and cloudy out. Hey biscuits, I will see you in the next vlog. Oh yeah. Hey, tell me what you think of the daily vlogging I am doing on my second channel. I'm doing, yeah, I was gonna say day in the life, but it's really just daily vlogging. I don't think I'm gonna do it 7 days a week. We'll see, but I'm enjoying doing it and trying it out because one of my goals for the new year for here on YouTube was to get back to doing daily vlogging. I did weekly vlogging for a couple years on my second channel, and then I kind of got away from that because I just ended up being too busy, and now I'm kind of back to it. I like the daily vlogging. I do. It's kind of fun to do. Okay, biscuits, see you in the next video. What's that? Go click down in the description box. Why? Because I have my romance novels that I write, full of mystery, intrigue, sci-fi adventure. Oh yeah. And what else do I link to? Oh, you biscuits know me so well. My merch. You can grab any of my hats and tees over in the shop. It's all linked through. Hey, see ya on Instagram between the next videos.